Thank you so much. I'm your body say great. After sleeping very well last night and just reflecting about the mood of the nation, I received ministration from the heavens that the Igbo race needs to thank God. Especially Ndi Igbo Lagos, they should thank God. Heaven is saying Ndi Igbo worldwide should thank God. But particularly, Ndi Igbo Lagos should thank God. You see, the heavens were asking me to reflect. What would have happened to Ndi Igbo if Atiku Abubakar was to be an Igbo man? If Atiku Abubakar was to be an Igbo man, how many Igbos, how many of our people would have maybe perished by now? Maybe in the Lagos Lagoon, as the Oba threatened some time ago. The Lagos Lagoon. So, I was asked to reflect. How many buildings will Sanwo-Olu have pulled down by now if Atiku Abubakar was to be an Igbo man? Remember, Atiku Abubakar is in US, seeking to get all details concerning Tinubu's certificates. And you know the pain that is generating. You know how Tinubu is feeling about it. You know what they did to the Igbos concerning election in Lagos, in 2023 presidential election, governorship election, March 18. You know what the Igbo man passed through. You know what the Igbo man passed through. How many markets were burned down? Even after the election, and Tinubu declared winner, how many buildings were pulled down? What would have happened to Ndi Igbo Lagos if Atiku Abubakar was to be an Igbo man? What would have happened to Ndi Igbo Lagos if what Atiku is doing in US, P2B is the one doing it? We need to reflect on this. What will happen to the Igbo man? You see, we need to reject this contraception called Nigeria. This unity, this forced unity, we need to renegotiate it. It is not real. We need to renegotiate it. It is so important that we do just that. Let us renegotiate it. What will happen to Ndi Igbo Lagos if Atiku Abubakar was to be an Igbo man? How many markets would have been erased by now? How many buildings would Sanwo-Olu have pulled down? What will happen? Let that be food for thought. Let every Nigerian contribute to move Nigeria forward. We must invest in the unity of Nigeria or let the end come. Food for thought. As simple as ABC. Thank you and God bless you.